Hello friends, today we will learn about human ear. The ear is a sensitive organ of the human body. It mainly concerned with detecting, transmitting and transducing the sound. So let's get start the video. The parts of ear include external or outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. So let's start from the external or outer ear. The outer ear consists of three parts. First one is pinna or auricle. The auricle is the outside part of the ear. Second one is external auditory canal. This is the tube that connects the outer ear to the inside or middle ear. Third one is eardrum or tympanic membrane. Eardrum divides the external ear from the middle ear. Now see the middle ear. Middle ear consists of ossicles, three small bones that are connect and transmit the sound waves to the inner ear. These bones are called malleus, incus and stapes. This tube is known as Eustachian tube, a canal that links the middle ear with the back of the nose. Let's know about inner ear. Inner ear consists of three parts. First one is cochlea. This contains the nerves of hearing. Second one is vestibule. This contains receptors for balance. And the third one is semicircular canals. This also contains receptors for balance. Once again see the part of the ear. Ear contains three parts: external ear, middle ear and the third one is inner ear. External ear consists three parts: auricle or pinna, external auditory canal and eardrum. Middle ear consists of three bones: malleus, incus and stapes. These three bones are known as ossicles. And the inner ear contains three bones: cochlea, vestibule and the third one is semicircular canal. And this tube is known as Eustachian tube.